Okay, hello friends. Today we will learn about the phylum terminale. What is phylum terminale and where it is present. So in this image you can see this pink color structure is basically the terminal end of the spinal cord, which is known as conus medullaris. And this spinal cord, which is a part of central nervous system, it is covered by meninges, three meninges, the arachnoid, pyometer, durameter. These are the three coverings that covers the spinal cord. So here you can see this green color structure. This green color structure is the durameter along with arachnoid, which is extending, which is covering whole of the length of the spinal cord, and is going to converge at the level of S2 vertebra. So it is going to converge at the level of S2 vertebra, and this orange color structure, which is known as pyometer, which is the inner lining of the meninges, this covers whole of the spinal cord. Then from the end, this conus medullaris, it is extending in a form of thin phyla or thin fiber like structure, which is known as phylum terminale. So this phylum terminale, it is a process of pyometer which is extending from tip of the conus medullaris to the first coccygeal vertebra. So here you can see this is the coccyx vertebra. These are the section of the lumbar vertebra. Then you have the septal vertebra and the coccyx. So this orange color structure, which is the innermost meninges of the covering the spinal cord, this is the pyometer, and one process of pyometer is extending from the conus medullaris to the C1 vertebra, and this is known as phylum terminale. Okay, phylum means a thin thread-like structure. Terminal means terminal part of the pyometer. So this is the process of pyometer extending from the tip of conus medullaris to the first coccygeal vertebra. The total length of this phylum terminale is about 20 centimeter, out of which 15 centimeter lies inside the dural sac. Because it is lying inside the dural sac, so it is known as phylum terminale internum. Okay, this is known as internum. The inner part is known as internum, and the part of phylum terminale which is lying outside the dural sac is known as phylum terminale externum. It lies outside the dural sac. So this is phylum terminale. Now it will be clear to you what is phylum terminale.